Two-way driving concrete mixer truck. Driving at both ends. Suitable for tunnels, country roads, etc. It adopts front and rear double cabs. The drive adopts 6x4 form, with a 162 kW super engine behind it, equipped with 8-speed gearbox, high-quality tires, which ensures smooth shifting, 5 tons front axle, 10 tons rear double axle. The dimensions of the whole vehicle are as above. Minimum turning diameter of 6.5 meters, a 300 liters water tank, a front hydraulic discharge port, and can be poured within a radius of 5 meters and 180 meters. Pneumatic, hydraulic and electric integrated control. The driver can control it in the cab. Air-cooled radiator with good cooling effect. 3 independent systems of action braking, emergency braking and parking braking improve the safety of the whole vehicle. It is a good helper for the construction of tunnels and rural roads.